Today we're putting our money where our mouth is and installing a Worcester Bosch Climate 3200i in our own studio.
It comes with the Worcester Bosch CL3000 outdoor unit and should all be a straightforward install. However,
we're installing it all the way up there
and testing it to see how quick it can cool down a room in the peak of summer.
I'm freezing.
This is Louis, one of our installers, and the day starts by showing him round and deciding where we want the unit to go.
We're now trying to get in the centre, but it's easier said than done. Brackets off to the left of the actual unit, and it's probably an awkward shape too.
Our first obstacle is the light on the other side of the wall. Normally, you'd measure from the ceiling to determine where it is, but due to the false ceiling on this side, it's trickier than we'd like.
It's clear, I'll give you that. That's quite lucky, isn't it?
With the light safely out of play, let's core through.
Oh, really? Installer is now cored through probably a, 40mm, 50mm hole. Pipe will now go straight through that with the wire in. That suction cup thing was pretty mint, wasn't it? It got all the vacuum out, all the dust, nice and clean job. Inside homes and bedrooms, that is the perfect thing to do. So we're going pretty quickly and smoothly too. Of course, we've got another company up here, so we'd hurry up as much as possible and get this job done, so it's a little disruption for those people.
With the indoor unit on, it's time to start coiling up the pipework and clipping to the wall. Working at height is always a risk. Fortunately, the ground is dry and the rubber feet on the ladder prevent it from moving.
You feeling safe? Yeah.
Let's take a look outside.
Oh, what a lovely day in the UK. So this is the exact weather you want aircon for, you know? It's cold outside, rainy, but the Worcester Bosch Climate 3200i also does heat. This is where the outdoor unit is gonna go. He's gonna core through now, get all the pins and cables going down, and hopefully it doesn't rain too much whilst he's out here. Cameraman's doing all right. You're nice and dry, aren't you?
For the outdoor installation, we mount two legs onto the wall which hold the weight of the outdoor unit. This then needs feeding the pipework and wiring from the indoor unit to all work together. This is of course much easier when it's not raining cats and dogs.
Unit's now on the wall, weather's coming down quite heavily. You don't want to be out here too long. These are now going to get attached to there before we start testing it with the gas.
We'll basically fill up the system with some OFN and make sure that the pressure's holding and we haven't got any leaks anywhere. It's a good habit just to spray your joints and make sure we've got no leaks, check for bubbling, and that'll give us an indication if we've got any leaks.
Vacuuming is all done, all the gas is out at the correct levels. Now we get the remote control on, power it all on, and get the commissioning done. Overall, a very clean, efficient installation. If you're wondering, can you have multiple indoor units hooked up to one single external unit, you would be correct. We actually did a recent installation video in Newcastle where we installed 4 Worcester Bosch 3200i's to one singular CL5000 unit. The video is on our YouTube channel, we'll leave it below, and the customer had solar on their roof, which made for a very interesting video. You have to check it out.
The system is now installed. Here's the real test. We're here on a summer's day. It is currently 26 degrees up here. Let's see how quick it can get us back down to 16 degrees Celsius. Let's turn it on. It is now kicking in. We've got a timer here, thermostat there. How quick will this go? Right, producers are bringing me things to do whilst we wait. Could be really quick, you don't know how long it's going to take. 3, 2, 1, go. Should be orange done, yeah. That's got to be quick.
That was like a minute.
A minute what though? It felt slow at the start. Just under 6 minutes, it's dropped to 24.8. I'm getting quite cold. It's sending quite a cold breeze through, but it'll take a while to hit the thermostat.
It's worth noting that this is an attic room coming in 24.8 meters squared, with no external windows, so naturally holds in more heat due to its position within the property and roof exposure. We then multiply the room size by 0.1 kilowatts to determine what size unit we need for this room. Allowing a small uplift for the additional heat that retains in the studio, we correctly sized our unit at 2.6 kilowatts to provide efficient and effective cooling performance without oversizing the system. Within 20 minutes, the room had dropped from 26 degrees down to 21 degrees, which is optimal for summer comfort. But in this video, we are pushing the unit to the extreme to see how low we can get.
I'm freezing. I'm genuinely freezing. I've sat here for 30 minutes freezing.
Probably doesn't even look that cold, does it? But that thermostat will take a while to keep up.
On today's episode at iHeat, they have stuck me in a room for over 38 minutes to see how quick it takes a Worcester Bosch 3200i to go from 26 degrees to 16 degrees. I am cold. You might possibly be thinking, this is taking forever. We're probably at like 40 something minutes in, it's only at 19 degrees. But when do you really want your house to be 19 degrees? If anything, that's quite cold. In summer, you want to be around the 21 to 22, which it hit in literally about 15 minutes. So this is just an extreme test to show you the capabilities of such a cool unit. Pun intended.
The unit eventually hit 16 degrees after an hour of waiting. When you consider the size of this room, the temperature outside, and what temp we started at, this is ridiculously impressive.
1 hour, 14 minutes in, we're 16.3 degrees on there. There will be a bit of discrepancy between that unit and that unit because of the distance it's at, but that's quite an impressive time, if you ask me.
We've noticed 98.8% of people who view our videos don't currently subscribe to the channel. Here on the iHeat YouTube channel, we do solar panel videos, battery videos, boilers, and now air conditioning videos too. So, if it's something you're interested in, consider subscribing today. It really helps the channel.
So there we have it, the Worcester Bosch Climate 3200i is working in our studio and I'm honestly quite a fan. We won't be getting rid of this anytime soon. Any questions, leave in the comment section down below and get in touch with iHeat if you want a personalised quote for your own aircon unit. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. This has been iHeat.